Hi and welcome here in our showroom in Eindhoven at the Brainport Industries Campus. Let me just show you our lineup. First of all, we have here the AM pick, which is picking up individual parts out of a bin and place them on the conveyor belt. This is our AM Logic operating console on which you can identify the parts and the data is collected and brought back to the ERP. This here is where the magic takes place, the AM Vision, where parts are identified on geometry only. And finally, once these parts have been identified, you can now sort them into different bins and then route each individual part to the appropriate post-processing step. Now, let me just talk you through each of these individual solutions one by one. So the first challenge we face is automated picking of 3D printed parts. Our AM pick is a robotic solution able to pick parts of different size and shapes out of a bin and place them in a machine or on a conveyor belt, going from a batch process to one-piece flow. The kernel of AM-Flow is the AM Vision, with high mix and high volume output, working ideally to one-piece flow. Identifying unique parts manually has become a time-consuming and labor-intensive task. So once cleaned, bins with 3D printed parts, all different shapes, each with individual post-processing steps like polishing and dyeing, and they all must be sorted and go to different departments or collected for different customers. You can now automate this with the AM Vision. The AM Vision identifies parts based on their geometry only. This geometry is a unique fingerprint and we can recognize parts in under a second, in 0.2 seconds. And with this identification information, we're able to route these parts to the next step of the process for this printed part. The AM Logic is our software solution. It provides a seamless integrated software connection between our modules and the existing IT architecture of the customer. The AM Logic software suite contains APIs for both traditional and 3D printing, CAD/CAM, ERP, MES and PLM systems. Static or mobile operator consoles are provided so that everywhere in your factory you have the digital backbone of your factory at your fingertips. Connecting the dots in end-to-end digital manufacturing. That's what this is about. In combination with the AM Vision, AM Sort forms a complete 3D printing sorting station. The design is modular, easily expandable and pre-wired. Items are shifted to either side of the sorter conveyor, and depending on the amount of finishing steps you have in your factory, you define the amount of sorting docks you require. Selection of the bin is easy via the console. Each end of the AM sort can be adjusted to adjust other modules, like automated guided vehicles or bin selectors or our bagging and labeling solution. From a customer satisfaction perspective, this is what it's all about. The part ready for shipment to your internal or external end customer. The AM bagging is a bag and label unit that can efficiently print high-resolution text, graphics and barcodes directly onto bags and present them ready for shipping. Pairing the AM bagging with the system-matched AM sort ensures quick and efficient handling of 3D printed parts. Operating at speeds of up to 25 bags per minute, the system offers you an innovative engineering with a next bag out printing feature to ensure greater accuracy and eliminates product queuing in order fulfillment. Finally, AM Route. AM Route transports your customer final product to the DC or before that, to the next production batch process step. Fully autonomous, intelligent vehicles increasing throughput and reducing transportation costs and machine idle time, while allowing employees to focus on tasks that require complex human skills. Part traceability at the highest standards and thus eliminating errors. Interested in our approach and our solution? Let's talk.